Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Micro Investor, where we do technical analysis and price predictions on multiple different cryptocurrencies every single day. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about Ethereum and picking up where we left off in the previous Ethereum video. Now, at this moment, Ethereum is still hanging out around that price of $1,600. It's still got to work its way up and to pump through this next Fibonacci level. So it's holding on very nicely. That's nice. It's nice seeing that we're seeing some consolidation, but I think at some point we're going to be seeing the price of Ethereum working its way up and smashing through the 200-day moving average, and also this price of that's near $1,800. So that's a very key price for Ethereum to get over. I've mentioned this before, and I'll get to that in a second about that, the reason why. But yeah, our 200-day moving average is right around this price as well. So that's one major factor at this moment. So we pump through the 200-day moving average in this next Fibonacci level, and then hopefully we're going to be able to overtake where we were at within this wave one that we had. And right now I'm using the Fibonacci retracement, looking at things from the 52-week low that we had with Ethereum, where Ethereum's price was under the price of $900 in the middle of June, went up within this wave one and had completed at a price that was near $2,000, and then we saw the price retrace from there. Then we completed the wave two, is what I'm saying, and we're currently within a large wave three impulse right now that could be taking the price of Ethereum up quite significantly, is what I'm hoping it's going to be doing. So right now, it's just a matter all about breaking through the next Fibonacci level and getting above that 200-day moving average, which was holding Ethereum down within the wave one. So I'm thinking that after we pass that 200-day moving average, we're going to be seeing a much larger price increase, a very, very nice price pump. I think we'll see. Now, we also have Ethereum that's on the other side of the bull market support band right now. So hopefully it's going to be able to hold on to this. You can see how the bull market support band had actually come down significantly over this year. So now it's now making these attempts to actually make some distance between itself and the bull market support band, and I'm sure after it passes this 200-day moving average, it's going to really start seeing that distance really increase. Now, as far as that $1,800 price that I was talking about, let me get rid of some things here. That $1,800 price, you can see how that $1,800 price was an area that Ethereum, after had managed to actually pump through and actually find support above that, then it was able to continuously bounce off that price. So that's what we were seeing a lot back in 2021. Ethereum was able to do, and you could see that it would go from that $1,800 price. One time it went up to above $4,300, came back down, tested that $1,800 price multiple times, and then turned direction again, and then went up and took Ethereum to its all-time high. So when we had fallen through that back in June, then that's how we got Ethereum down to its 52-week low, and the start of our first wave from this new set of wave impulses. So this is all just really part of a current correction that we've been seeing. Ethereum just really turning the course here and turning around, and hopefully we're going to start seeing it really retrace a lot from where it was at. So now let's look at this falling wedge that we're in with Ethereum that had started when Ethereum had reached its all-time high, and we had seen this come down within 5 waves. So the big thing here is with Ethereum that it's been doing here lately is that it has been able to create some distance between itself and this falling wedge, because it just recently broke out of this falling wedge within this third wave. And that's one of the key factors with the third wave, why it's so important that it continues to create this distance. So I think that there's a really good possibility after it does pass that 200-day moving average, that's going to really quickly pump past where it was within its wave one. And we can also see this consolidation currently in the process that is allowing it to possibly lead into a very nice breakout, to actually turn Ethereum on it here into the hourly chart. And you can see that it's currently consolidating to the downside, which this could easily just be a bullish pattern that's in the works right now. And this lead into that price seeing a decent sized price pump after this consolidation eventually gives out, and we start seeing it move to the upside from here. So I'm thinking that pump that we're going to be seeing with Ethereum is in the works. Now, hopefully things do work out this way. It would be really nice to see that this actually does happen in this way. So this is what I'm anticipating possibly happen, is that this consolidation leads Ethereum into seeing the price hopefully take a nice little bump to the upside right after that. And where I think that things could be going here within this wave 3, as many of you guys also know, that I'm very bullish on Ethereum. And I think that since it has been within this falling wedge for so long, and it actually spent a year in this falling wedge, and as it just broke out of it, I mean, it really pumped out of this, I think that this wave 3 has a lot of potential to really possibly take Ethereum to the price that could be somewhere around the price of $3,000. If not more, is where I'm thinking it can go. I'm saying 3,000 as just I know that sounds very bullish, but I'm thinking $3,000 is one possibility, but I'm also thinking that it can even go higher than that. I'm thinking that it can go to where it was within its wave 4 that it had to the downside, and that would take it much more to a price around $3,500. So this wave 3 could go somewhere between $3,000 and $3,500 is what I'm thinking. Ignore where the wave 4 and 5 are going. That's irrelevant, because I think that we could be seeing Ethereum possibly do a full retracement of where it was from this falling wedges. Now, obviously, this is going to be taking Ethereum into next year sometime. I'm not talking about any sort of price movements that are going to be very fast. Obviously, it took us from June into now, basically, to get where we are right now. So don't expect this wave 3, which is a larger wave than our wave 1 was. Don't expect this wave 3 to complete anytime soon. This is going to be something that is going to be taking some time to complete. And then we're going to see that wave 4. I mean, this is obviously taking us well into 2023. And who knows where things are going to be going within that wave 5. I think that wave 5 would be the one that would end up taking Ethereum from that price of 3,500 to hopefully retrace it all the way up to where it had topped out at its 52-week high, which was at a price that was at $4,800. So there's a good possibility that we could be seeing this go to that within its 5th wave. So all really about just trying to get to that third wave first. So seeing where that's going to be taking us. So here in the short term, it's really important that Ethereum stays above the price of $1,600, which it's managing to do very well and consolidating within right now. And then from there, break through that 200-day moving average and this next Fibonacci level, both just taking the price up to that $1,800 price where it really needs to go. And then hopefully from there, it can break through that price that it was at within its first wave, a price above $2,000. Those are all the key prices that we need to be getting to with Ethereum. So hopefully within this next price pump that we have, that we'll be able to see such, and hopefully things don't take a turn to be more bearish. I'm still expecting the wave 3 to continue here for a while. So anyways, with that being said, I'd like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. I talk about Ethereum and Bitcoin every single day, and many other altcoins as well. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching and listening.